Hi everyone, my name's Dan Jones. I also go by the stage name Dan Rob. I'm a rapper, singer, songwriter, YouTube content creator and more recently a music producer as well. I've been involved with YouTube and making content on there for over 9 years now. During my first year in college, back in 2021 to 2022, my final project was a live stream for my YouTube channel in which I attempted to perform 10 songs. It was a bit of a tedious process trying to get everything together, but I did manage to do all 10 songs in the live stream. During my second year of college, I attempted to film a music video for one of my brand new songs that I was releasing. And I'm pleased to say that we managed to film the music video and it turned out brilliantly. It's available to watch on my YouTube channel and you're about to watch it right now.